All right, you guys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in to another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys that video update on how to fix a bare spot. So it's going to be a quick video, but I'm going to show you how everything turned out and what to do next. So stay tuned and let's go over that right now. So all right, you guys, we are at the area that I actually repaired in a previous video on how to quickly repair a bare spot in your lawn using the garden weasel tool. I showed you guys how to come out, break up the soil, throw some seed down, roll your seed in using this garden weasel tool. This is one of the best tools you can actually have for spot fixing, you guys. If you don't have one, you must get one. I love these tools. They come in handy just when you're trying to repair a little area. If you guys remember, this whole area right here, this left side of my yard was thinned out. It happens every season, you guys. Every spring I have to come back and fix the side. So this comes in very handy, like I said. But if you guys remember, I actually came out, broke the soil up, rolled the seed in, threw some peat moss down. Now, I like using peat moss because it's a covering agent. Not only is it a covering agent, it helps keep your grass seed moist, you guys, for better germination. And it's gonna break down into your actual soil and help amend your soil and enrich the soil, make it a lot better for seed germination. And if you guys remember, this whole side was thinned out. Now, as you guys can see, it came out. I actually got 2 mows on this part of the yard. Now, when it comes to mowing, you guys, you want to stay off this side, wherever side that you're going to actually plant grass seed. You don't want to disrupt the grass seed while it's germinating. So I stayed off this side, I let it fill in and waited till the grass got about 2 to 3 inches before I actually started putting the lawnmower on it. I don't have anything else to actually mow the yard besides the lawnmower, you guys. So a heavy lawnmower, if you rolling over it with your wheels, it can disrupt the seeds, move the seeds, and mess up your germination. So when I was mowing, I kind of stayed off of this part of the yard until it actually growed in. Then I came out, got a mow on it. Now, like I said, I got about 2 mows on it so far. Now, you want to wait until you get about 3 to 4 mows before you start doing any kind of weed control on the yard, you guys. I did get some weeds that invaded this area right here. And this area right here is coming in a little slower. That's also gonna happen with grass seed, you guys. Grass seed do not germinate all at the same rate. Some grass seed is gonna germinate faster than others. Some are gonna move at a slower pace. It's all basically temperature based, you guys. This area right here don't get a lot of sun. It just started getting a lot of sun. And when I actually came out and seeded, you guys, it was a little on the cooler side. Temperature was just starting to break and then it dipped back down. It got to about 60, dipped back down to the 40s and stuff like that. So temperatures were playing games. So the grass seed didn't really get a lot of sunlight to germinate, you guys. But it came in very, very nice at a slower rate. This is the last part right here that just still need a little bit more attention, you guys. But when it comes to weeding, you guys, wait until you matured your grass first. Want to make sure, like I said, 3 to 4 mows. Make sure it can actually withstand any weed control product you're about to put on it. So the most important thing right now is just getting your grass to establish a strong root system, you guys, before you start putting down all these chemicals. Now, I did get some crabgrass, nutsedge start to invade this side. I'm not worried about it. Like I said, I want to make sure this little baby grass actually develop a strong root system first. That's most important at this point in time. You can always come back and weed control later on. So, but as you guys can see, for the most part, this whole left side came in really, really nice, except for this side that's lagging behind. But we'll get there. I'll say maybe another 2 weeks. Only thing you need to do, you guys, is just water. Make sure it's getting enough water. And if you are gonna do a little fertilizing, I put some fertilizer over here, some starter fertilizer, you guys, by Stay Green. So that's gonna help it feed and strengthen up on its own. When you cut grass, that's what it's naturally gonna do. It's going to repair itself and come back stronger, you guys. So you're just gonna make sure you just keep mowing and basically don't disrupt the grass seed. But for the most part, what do you guys think? How did this left side come out? Did you guys do any bare spot fixing yourself? Do you guys like this garden weasel tool? I'm telling you, I love this tool. This is a great tool to have. Now, also, if you guys come out and you realize that the grass seed is actually growing strong in one spot and not the other. If it's past the germination stage of like maybe 21 days, that's the most germination rate, how long it actually takes to germinate grass, about 21 to 28 days. If it's past that window and you still see some bare spots, you guys, you can go ahead, take your garden weasel tool, break up that little spot that looks a little thin to you, and throw a few more grass seed down and roll it back in. And you just wait and water and water and water, and that'll come in actually, you know, in due time also. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video update on how to repair a bare spot in your lawn. Tell me what you guys think. How did this side come in? And like I said, did you guys do a little bare spot fixing yourself? So take care, good luck, subscribe to the channel, like the video, stay tuned for more content. I'll be back very, very soon. So take care.